Oh, hello everyone. So I'm already back. Just took a short break to get something to eat. I'm gonna work on the game a little bit more. I think one thing that I really want to do is go in and speed up the projectile, the ball. So I'm just go in here and I think there's a speed variable. No, yeah, just have it set to 10. I'll just call it speed. 10. Let's make it 20 speed. I think I may want to go ahead and add sound effects too. Definitely make it a little bit more interesting. I want to do my cannon as well. Yeah, that's pretty fast right there. It almost needs like a tail. I wonder if there's an easy way to do a tail. That's almost so fast that you can barely even see it going. Maybe 16, just a tad bit slower. That's pretty good. Is that centered up? Seems like it's coming out of the bottom. So, where's my cannon? 32. Shoot. X. Y. Maybe I don't need Y plus 16. Maybe I just need Y. I guess they're both anchored at the same position, the center, I guess. So they would be at the same Y. Now that seems like that came out of the top. It's just so hard to tell. Okay, I can go into object cannon. Maybe it's under sprite cannon. So is that the anchor top left? And the ball, it's anchored at top. Oh, but it's a lot smaller. Middle left. I want this one middle center. Wonder if I could do some cool gradient type thing. Oh, what in the world? Look at that. Why is it flashing? Oh, because I added that. I think I want the ready to flash too. Where's my room object? Level manager. Draw. Not is ready. If ready. Level ready delay. Level start delay. Level start delay mod. Mod 2 equals 0. See if this works. Okay. Game maker mod. Modulo. Mod. Time mod. Div. So I think I can do level start delay. Div for mod 2. Make this green. That's pretty good. Maybe even a little bit slower than that. Is there a way I can create a new color? Color. Is it couleur? How do I make a new color? Game maker to make create color. Make color RBG. Make color RGB. So I want 128, 255, I think, 0 or 128. So I want color black. Or is it C black? 512 plus 2, 360 plus 2. I need another. I need like a draw shadow text function. I think there's some way to share code. Scripts, there you go. Oh, I don't want that. So I'm gonna do scripts, create script, game maker script function. How do I use parameters? Do I just have var at the top? Var color the color stir. So I want to go to my resources, go to Object Level Manager. I'm going to grab these. Actually, I want to grab all these. Now go back to my script. Where is my script? Draw shadow text. So set font default, alpha 1, the color, text. I need an X and Y, stir. X shouldn't do. Color text, stir text, X text, Y text. X text, Y text, X text plus 2, Y text plus 2. I need to change these out. Make this the color. And this needs to be stir text. Okay, so hopefully I can call draw shadow text now, maybe. And just do that star. Yeah, looks like it. Draw shadow text. It turned orange. That's a good sign. So I want this to be 512, 360. Actually, make color RGB 128, 255, 128, ready 512, 360. Oh. Not set, OBJ. Well, draw shadow text, draw text, X text, Y text. Be nice if I could double click on that. So I don't know if I can call that way or not. Did look like it got to draw text, X text, Y text, stir text. Oh. Stir text. Color text. Okay, see if that works. Crud. Oh, crap. Color text or text execute. Execute code. I wonder if there's like a call script. Game maker call script. Script execute. So object level manager. Script execute draw shadow text, and then the rest of this. Okay. Crud. Stir text. Game maker script parameters. Parameters. Arguments. Arguments. I don't see how. He used arguments. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Draw shadow text. 1, 2, 3, 4. Arguments. Just argument 0. Just write it out that way. I think I'm gonna like do color text gets argument 0. Stir text gets argument 1. X text gets argument 2. Y text gets argument 3. That way it's a little bit easier to read. Maybe a little bit of extra overhead doing 4 assignments. I'd go nuts if I had kept using argument in the code. Oh yeah, so it did it right. That's good. Seems like that needs to be a little bit bigger. Loser. Okay. I want to fix live display. So instead of all this yak, I want to use the object level manager and do this. So I want to do 512. Well, I want to, where's my purpley color? This is going to start loading slow every time now. Okay. Grab this. Then be 51264. Wow, this is taking forever. I just need my purpley color. Oh, I need the 276, 34, 100. No, that I need RGB. 220, 167. $255. It's kind of dark, but it gets the job done. Seems like everything's off center. Like it needs to be. Yeah, 1280 divided by 2. And for the level manager, which will still be off a little bit. Yeah, that's way wrong. 1280 divided by 2. I really should get the width of the text, but that's a little bit too much work for a 48-hour game jam. I would put that in the list of things to fix later. I'd kind of like to have something that would split one ball into 2 or something to hit 2 targets. I think that'd be pretty cool. My cannon isn't that great, but it gets the job done. I think I want to go to my room. I'm going to add some more tiles, object block. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Copy these. Move these up. Okay, grab these. Pull these down. Object block. Alt. I wonder if this is getting to be too many blocks for this to handle. This feels like it's getting sluggish. Okay. So this one's pretty simple. You just shoot it straight through. Let me go back to Inkscape. File, open, UltraShot. I think it's under raw. Block. I don't want that. I gotta dig it up. Oh no. Block. Save as block. Back. File. Save as block. Save. So let's get the stroke. Get that dark purpley. Maybe even a little bit darker than that. What? What doesn't set alpha all the way up? It's ridiculous. Stroke, fill, so get the gradient. So I think I use this tool to, so not click on this. That's how you bring it up. That makes sense. Pull that all the way up. Click on that one. That, pull it all the way up. Maybe make the stroke a little bit darker. File, save, export. Let's Smith projects, UltraShot, raw, block, save. No, I want 32 by 32. Export, replace. So now I can go up to spur block. Come on. Import. Import. Wow. Oh, totally hose that up. Save. No, it crashed Game Maker. How did it crash Game Maker? No. Great. How did it crash Game Maker? Really? Crap. I still need to add my little shooty thing. I'm going to call it a barrel. That makes sense to me. Did it lose my level layouts and everything? I'd be mad if I have to create that level again. Okay. Want resources, sprites, spur block, import, block. Yes. Okay. Maybe I should set the pivot point differently so that they're equal on both sides. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. It's a little bit too much purple on purple. Especially up here at the top. I need a little bit darker. A little bit too bright. So click on this, click on this, click on this, pull this down. Click on this, pull this down. Save. Actually, I could make it a little bit more. Let's see how this looks. Now I gotta dig this up again. I need to add this to quick access. Getting kind of. Oh, there we go. Block. What about block? Yeah, block PNG. Import. Rooms. Yeah, it looks pretty good right there. want the ball to be green. Save file. Open recent. Ball. Here's the ball. So I just need to stroke my green color. So that's 85, 255, 128. Maybe it could be a little bit darker. 91. 85, 255, 91. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay. Export. So I want this to be 16 by 16. Export. Ball. Save. See what this looks like. Export. Go back to resources. Spur ball. Import. Ball. Yes. That looks pretty cool. Need like an explosion too when it hits. Okay. Maybe I just want the other, say, don't want the other ones to be cannons too. They should be different, or at least different color. Open. Ah, crud. File. Open. Canon. Click this. Make this look green. Oops. Okay, maybe it could be a little bit darker. I don't know. $79. So copy this. Click this. Click this. Paste it here. Okay, that's good. Auto cannon. Save. Export. So I want this to be 32 by 32. Cannon. Auto cannon. Save. Export. Save. Okay. So on level 1, I want to add a sprite. Spur auto cannon. Import. Okay. Objects. OBJ auto cannon. Sprite is the auto cannon. Okay. So level 1. Add the auto cannon. Then I want to rotate it. Can I rotate? Oh, it's like in the middle. Wow, that's not good. So I need this object goal. Spur goal. I need it to be top left. Just so it lines up with everything else. Level 1. Okay, now they're matched. Oh, but now it's going to be wanky when it rotates. I bet. Man, that's a tough problem. I can always... Yeah, I think I need to... Yeah, I don't want that. Now the zoom is all wanky. Resources. Goal. Middle center. I'm going to go ahead and put the auto cannon. Middle center. Because this is going to rotate too in some cases. Really need to fix the pattern on that. File, open, goal. Is there any way to center the pattern up? The node tool. That's the wrong one. Circle. Well, that's creepy. The path. How do I move the nodes? I wish I knew Inkscape position pattern. Or is there... Create tiled clones. Tiled pattern. Okay, I think I'm back to being stuck again. I just want this to be centered. Fill object properties. Oh, here we go. Path. There's nothing about the pattern. Checkerboard. Node tool. That's what I want to do, is adjust the position. Oh, maybe this is it. Is this it? Create net gradients. I like having to hover over every single one of these. Path by nodes. Where is the node tool? Oh, that's great. It displays the tooltip on my other window. That's just great. What is the node tool? New linear gradient. Gradient. Object. Pattern. Objects to pattern. Pattern to object. Objects. Path. Node tool. Okay. Inkscape node tool. Node tool. Oh, it is this one. Well, why doesn't it let me move the pattern? Do I select it like that? Or adjust position, scale, and rotation. It's not letting me edit those. Pattern. Oh, is that it? Stroke, no. Node tool to adjust position, scale, and rotation. Sometimes I see that little red outline. I think I'm doing something. Okay. Inkscape Position pattern. Oh, the X, wait. Pattern. Node tool. The X on the pattern will adjust the I don't see the X on the pattern. I don't see those. I just see the regular ones. Circle. Oh, there's an X right there. I don't see the X on the pattern. Oh. Control key. Hold down the control key. That's just selecting the shape. In this example, it looks like the pattern is kind of separated. Oh, there it is all the way up here. What the? Why is it all the way up here? There we go. Wow. Why did they put this all the way up here? That doesn't make any sense. Because I can't see this and manage this at the same time. There we go. No wonder I couldn't see it. There we go. So now that looks almost perfect. File, save. And grab these. Export. I want this to be 32 by 32. Export as. Gold PNG. Go back over to Game Maker, Spurgle. Now I want to import the new goal. Yes. Why didn't it line up? Still looks like it's a little bit off. That didn't change anything. Okay. Import. Oh, I bet I didn't press export again. Dang it. Export. Okay, goal open. Wow, that was weird looking. Crud. Why is this weird looking? But drawing. Selection. Goal, save. Crud. Export. Replace. Oh, crud. So do I not have both of those selected? Where's the stupid layers? Yeah. Oh, crud. That's the problem right there. So I need to put this on top of this best that I can. 60, 160, 60, 160. Okay, got them both. I wonder if I can merge those together. That'd be a neat thing to do. Object. I'm not going to deal with it right now. Export. We'll select them both. Export as, goal, save, export. Import. Goal. Yes. There we go. That's pretty close. Might look a little bit wobbly. Yeah, it looks pretty good right there. So yeah, I definitely don't want the speed of the bullet of the ball to be faster than the size of the ball. Yeah, 16. Might be better just set it like 14 or something like that. That way it doesn't like hop over anything. But, I mean, if all the objects are 32 in size, it just doesn't need to be bigger than 32. Okay. So what I want to do here, level 1. How do I rotate these guys? Scale, edit. I don't want to edit the object, I just want to rotate this one. Scale, flip X, flip Y. Oh, here it is, rotation. 90? There we go. Okay. What I want to do, resources. Spur ball. No, object ball. Step. But this is going to be tricky. I can't hit the same thing twice. If place meeting X, Y, object, auto, cannon. Is there a rotation? Oh man. Game maker. Rotation. Actually, I could just use like sine and cosine. Yeah, sine. In radians. Crud. Is there degrees to radians? I know how to do it, but degrees to, okay, deg to rad. So I kind of need to just like turn off the cannon. That auto cannon. So it doesn't keep looping. So vel x gets that's y cosine of deg to rad obj auto cannon dot rotation fixed rotation crud game maker get object rotation. How did I do the rotation on the goal? Image angle. I think that's it. Is that it? Yeah, image angle. I knew something weird like that. So spur autocannon. Object autocannon. Wait. No, I need the ball. The ball. Dot image angle. Times speed. Vel y. But I think these may be backwards. May have to multiply by -1 for sine, maybe. Let's see how this works. Ding. Whoa, wasn't expecting that. Ba-ding. Ba-ding. That's not right. Oh. Why is that off? So if this is maybe I got the wrong default rotation. Level 1. So this is rotated. Crud. Where's the okay? 90, 180. Okay. Seems right. 270. 360. 720. 45. See which way this goes. See if it always goes the kind of always goes in that same direction. Where's my ball? I wonder if I can... No, I gotta put in a draw. Add event. Draw. Add event. Draw. Object level manager. Go back to ball. So I want to draw shadow text. That's fine. So I want string obj auto cannon dot image angle. Oh crud. If not is null, is nil. Crud. Game maker is null. Is undefined. If not is undefined. OBJ auto cannon. Crud. Okay, I'm just going to add an autocannon to this first level. Autocannon makes it easier for testing anyway. Rotation 90. Okay. Crud. Where did it go? There it is. Where's the text? 90. Why is it not displaying the... So it did get 90. I don't know why it's not displaying the ball there. So 90, object ball, draw. Ball. Okay. So got the angle plus string, no, plus, comma, plus string of this cosine plus, comma, plus string of sine. Oh, I wonder if it's rounding it exactly to 0 or something. Or exactly to 1. Crud. What happened there? I don't know why it's not 9001. So that's right. Why isn't it showing the ball though? $90.01. What happened to the ball? It's like if you put draw in here, does that quit drawing it? Crud. That just like completely ignores the sprite drawing. So why vel x vel y? Am I adding the wrong values or something? I bet I'm adding the wrong something other to here. Step. X gets vel x, y gets vel y. Huh. Doesn't make any sense. Okay, let me I think I need object autocannon. Where's the code? Add event, create. Create. So I need can shoot gets true. Object ball. So if you hit the cannon, then object auto cannon dot can shoot gets false. So place meeting auto cannon and object auto can't. See, now I'm not sure how you know which one is this one. Can shoot. If there's multiple cannons, I could like change the color or something after it's been used. So I'm gonna comment these out. Wait, I'm just gonna do val x gets 0, val y gets speed. So now it should always go up. It's still going down. So there's something weird with the step. Create. Actually, this should get a negative speed. See what that does. It's like it's still trying to add in the x direction. Val x gets 0. X, add and assign velocity x. But velocity x should be 0. I wish there was a way to just print out a variable. This is confusing. Is there something else that's adding x velocity to the ball? There is something else adding x velocity to the ball. What else is controlling the ball? Just a cannon controlling the ball? Oh, Excel Y8. What? No, that's the cannon. Block goal. Level manager. Step. That just has that. I don't understand this. Why? So, object cannon. When I press shoot, I'm going to create an instance of the ball. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, that's controlling the Y of that. Can shoot is false. So we're creating an instance of the ball. Object ball. Wow. Am I just not saving everything? Or the ball should not be moving. I killed X and val X. Should not be moving. Create. Is val X like a reserved word? Maybe that's why. Maybe that's a reserved thingy. And I'm trying to use it as a variable. Nope. That's bizarre. Why is this move? Maybe it's speed? Wow. Am I using like the wrong comments or something? Don't know what's going on here. So it should do absolutely nothing now. There, thank you. So now we can go add these back step by step. Speed, vel X, vel Y. So now it should still do nothing. Unless those are like reserved words or something. Oh, that's the problem. Crud. Game maker vel X. So I probably remembered using vel X and vel Y from a long time ago to do stuff, and I just naturally just used it again. So I need to change this to move X and move Y. I kind of thought that that might have been reserved. Well, no, there it goes again. Wow. Is move reserved too? Or is speed reserved? Speed may be reserved. Wow. That's one reason I like Hungarian notation. You always know that you're using it. Maybe it's speed. F speed. I bet it's speed. Yeah, because speed was green. That makes sense. So I guess speed was a reserved thing. Yeah. So speed. So I can change this vel X and vel Y back. Okay. Figured that problem out. Took a little while, but... So I need to get rid of this. So this is F speed. So now, hopefully, all this other stuff just works. Just tracking down that one gremlin in there. F speed. F. I should have known because it was green that it wasn't right. I think on the first level I just want to have a bunch of chain reactions. Just ding ding. Okay, that worked. Did I? Maybe. Oh yeah, I forgot the negative. So the other thing I need to do, I need to line it up whenever it hits. So X gets OBJ auto cannon X, and Y gets OBJ auto cannon dot Y. So it's going to line up instantly. one may miss. So this one should go off to the side. Hey, there we go. So I'm gonna really work up level 1 or level 0 here. Make it a little bit more interesting. So can I drag these around? I need to be on instances. Wow. It's like I need to zoom out a little bit. So I'm wondering if it's going to work with 2. So I can rotate this one. Make this 90. Add some more blocks. Delete some blocks. Delete these 4. Actually, I should have it go down. $270. Go away. Let's add one more row here. Then drill out 4 here. Add another cannon here. And drill out 4 here. Yeah. So you just got to hit this one. Hit that one, hit that one. It may make it more interesting if this automatically went back and forth. I don't know. Oh no, the text is behind. Bing. Oh no. They're not unique. Crud. So how do you get the instance that you collided with? Place meeting. Get the unique instance place. Okay. Object ball. I'm gonna save this. Instance place. And so if I instance place autocannon. Okay. inst gets instance place object autocannon. If inst does not equal no one, with inst if inst dot can shoot we're going to do all this. So we're going to change all the auto cannons to inst. No. Crud. Instance functions. Instance change. See, I didn't even shoot yet. It did climb. And why? Why are the tiles now on top? And they weren't before. Depth 200. I wish I could just cast. Instance number. Here we go. Game maker place mating multiple objects. Inst. Is there like an ID? Instance place. With wow. I'm getting confused. Instance destroy. So this should destroy that cannon. Why is that behind? Score display. Script execute. Draw. set. Is there depth? Game maker. Draw text behind objects. How do I change the depth? Is there a set depth? Game maker set text depth. Depth of the instance. Can just do depth gets negative 200. Oh, there we go. I figured out that problem. Now I need to object autocannon, object ball. Okay. So now I need to do if inst can shoot. I think this will crash. It'll say can shoot does not exist on instance. So how do I use methods on an instanced object? Variable object autocannon instance. Not set before reading it. Oh man. But I think I do object autocannon on create. I set can shoot. So it's got to be defined. I wonder how I did that with multiple bats in my other game, where you have multiple objects that you can pick up. Yeah, I actually had where you could have multiple, but I think I instanced all the, well, How did I do that game? Because when I shot an enemy, I was doing place meeting. Pretty sure. Wow, everything like comes back with the same stupid post. It's not very helpful. So this works, it just shoots you out of the wrong cannon. Place meeting. What is place meeting returns a boolean? I want an instance of the object that it collided with. Okay, I think I need to look at an old game now. Save project. Might be able to just open it up in Notepad. Open. Where's my... Oh, what was my minor game? Minor Madness. Objects. Place meeting with the block. Grounded. Block. Place meeting. Block. Block. I must have used like the little interface deal to get collision with an object. Oh, I should try that. Step. Can I convert to drag and drop? Step. Oh, this is where it's so hard to get the stupid toolbox. I see it over there. Yeah, there it is. This is crazy. So, okay, move collision. It's not what I wanted. Wow, this is a lot. Cameras, rooms. That's a lot of things. Instances. Collision. Okay, how do I... Any object at... No. Okay. Object at... Object... Autocannon. Let me get rid of this. Boy, this is so wacky. This in a big if. No. No, what's going on down here? Get rid of this. If it's an object, target. What is this? Object autocannon. Empty. Target. Wait. Oh, this is so confusing. Ball. Oh, maybe I need to get rid of this. Okay. Add event. Collision with autocannon. Collides with the cannon. Then we want to do this. Place. Oh, I already did that. if object auto cannon can shoot, do all this. That's how I did it last time. I just used a little collision event here. That way you can get the instance of what you collided with and still use its properties. No, that's not right. Crap. Why is it not using the instance that it collided with? That's got me puzzled. Game Maker collision event. Step. Convert this to D&D. Reference to collided object. It's obviously getting the wrong place meeting. Oh. Object. X gets obj.x, y gets obj.y. Vel y gets minus 10. Vel x gets 0. Now, it should go down from the first one, but it may come down out of this one. OJ ball, OJ. Auto cannon. Seems like it's just getting the first cannon that's defined in the game world, which would be this far one instead of this second one, which isn't right. I want a reference to the one that I'm colliding with. Is that too much to ask? Canoon. Come on. Why does it always flip back to that? It's very annoying. I gotta keep it moving because I don't want it to be covered up. Why does it come out the bottom one? It just like gets the first auto cannon. It doesn't matter which one. Referenced collided object. Game maker place meeting other. Game maker is an abomination. Not stuck in walls. Multiple. This is so crazy. Cut. Oh, other. Other. Where's position? Seems like it should be like the very first thing listed here. It's like, I want to set the position. Instance. Movement. I guess I don't want you to manually set position. Nope. Particles. I hate these windows and windows and windows. It's so freaking annoying. Especially when they make the window bigger than the window that you're looking into. So annoying. Then you can... This is how I got messed up last time. I didn't know to click that thing. So annoying. Apply to. Apply to other. I want to apply to the thing that I'm colliding with. Oh, this is such a pain to deal with. Convert to GML. X gets other dot X. Well, that turn red. Oh, it doesn't want me to do that. X. Oh, semicolon. Y gets other dot Y. If it would just go to that first one and stick there, I would be happy. Okay, so now I don't know where it is. If other dot can shoot. Other can shoot gets false. I think I lost all my code for doing the direction. It's unfortunate. Hey. Okay. Step. I still got it there. So I want to do... Okay, here's the test. Val X gets 0. Val Y gets 10. Now if this works, I'll be happy. Maybe I just need to use other in place meeting. Hey, that's good. Looking good. Okay, so here we go. Here's the whole shebang right here. I just need to use other. I'm going to leave it like this though. Other image angle. Other image angle. Get rid of these. Then got can shoot to false. I feel like I'm getting sick. Might be getting a sore throat. Hey, there it goes. Woohoo! Oh, I can't believe that worked. Yay! I just need to use other. Okay. So I can shoot this one down here. Get rid of some of these blocks. So rotate this one T70. It's gonna shoot down. Then I can do one here. But it has to be like exactly a 45-degree deal here. So what was this? This is 45. That was this like through there. So this is 360 minus 45. So 320, 315, I think. Okay. Move the exit like down here. Rotation, say 90. Should make like evil cannons or something. That's fine. It's going to be T70. Object block. We should minimize these. Good grief. So yeah, do a wall here. A wall here. Wish I could fit the whole thing on one screen. Go ahead and delete some of these. get rid of these. No, not that one. Get rid of these. No, don't get rid of that one. Get rid of those. Get rid of the... Why is it including this one? Just want these. No, I don't want to delete that one. Why is it doing that? There. It's the only ones I want. Okay, so that's going to go ding ding. Just want those. I'm just going to go straight through here. Maybe cut off these two. I wish there was an easier way to fill these in. So I'm gonna... So now I can... copy these, paste. Okay. Save. So I don't know why all these help tutorials I looked up try to make everything so confusing with that instant meeting for collision. Oh man, my foot went to sleep. Oh, messed that one up. Yay, winner. So yeah, tomorrow I'll come back and add more. Maybe like walls that move and things like that, and doors that open, all that good stuff. I would like to add some sound effects though. I need something that sounds like a cannon shooting. I wonder if I can do that with like a toilet paper roll, or maybe I can just do it with my hand, or I need something that sounds like it's shooting. Got this may make an interesting sound right here. Let's try this. May need to let's see here. Oh, haven't opened this one yet. Oh, stop. I have one that's open somewhere. Yeah, I guess this one. Can always get some Lysol. May make a better sound. loud is that? Maybe too loud. Okay, rewind. Stop, rewind. That's way too loud. I guess because I blew on the microphone itself. That's a pretty good sound. I like that. Crud. File. UltraShot. Air cannon. File export. Air cannon. Crud. UltraShot. Raw. Air cannon. I need more noisemakers. Okay. Should have muted my TV. Not very loud at all. Now it smells all fresh and orangey here. It kind of irritates my eyes too. So save. I'm just going to call this Lysol. File, export, Lysol. Okay. So add some sounds. Sound. Cannon. That's going to be Lysol. Sound cannon. So this is going to be sound auto cannon. That'll be the Lysol. Oh no. It's the air cannon. So, what object cannon? Is there a play sound? Play sound. Sound cannon. Priority? I don't know what priority should be. Leaps 0. Audio play sound. Game Maker. Oh, here it is. 10. It can be from 0 to 1 or 0 to 100, as Game Maker Studio will prioritize them as the same. Okay. Guess 1. Winner, yay! So I'm gonna grab this object ball. So when it collides with this, I'm gonna play sound auto cannon. So I need some sound for when it hits the finish mark. Yeah, that's pretty fun. Not much skill required. You just line up your shot. Kind of feel like the cannon, your starting cannon, should be like automatically moving or something, or at least have some critter moving around here. I could have like, yeah, critters moving around would be cool. Definitely think there should be something moving. Like right here, back and forth. Okay, I got to figure out something for the... Something for the goal. I don't know what that will be. I don't know. I could use like my alarm clock or something. But then you get to the point I could like do anything on my phone, but that really wouldn't be a unique sound effect. Could do my doorbell. I hate the sound of my doorbell. Need something like a ringing sound, keys. It's kind of a dull sound there. Use a fork or something. Okay, here we go. The classic, like, drinking cup and spoon. Sounds very pure. Back. Okay. File, save as, drinking glass. Effect. Echo. Point one. Call this goal. Goal. Sounds. Create. It's indeed goal. Get the goal. Yeah, that should be good. So now I want to get this. And when the ball hits the goal, ball hits the goal. I wonder if that's going to play long enough to even hear it. Or if when it switches rooms and it automatically cuts the sound off. We will see. That's interesting. Oh, I didn't change it. Sound goal. Yay. What other sound did it seemed like there was one other sound that I needed. The gold, the shoot. Oh, the crash. I need a boom sound. I think I'll do a flipping book again. It's always good. Effect, amplify. Effect, change pitch to really low. Change speed. 1 second. Effect, amplify. File. Save project. Explode. 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 Save. File, export, explode. Okay. So now I need a new sound. Create sound. Sound, explode. Oops, haven't assigned it yet. Okay. So on object ball, if it meets with the block, then play sound explode. Okay. Save projects. I want to know if there's a way in Game Maker make object persist. Oh, object copyright. Where's the option to make it persistent? Oh, persistent. There we go. Oh, it's kind of hard to see there. I need a background thing for it too. Actually, is that a I think that's a an image, so I just edit the image. So yeah, how long was that? 2:45. So I've been about 5 hours and got a somewhat functioning game. A lot more I can add to it tomorrow. Music. More levels. A lot more levels. I want the spinning shooter too. Copyright. Oh, I want XCF. Open. Copyright. XCF. So, I'm going to grab the, go ahead and add a new layer. Grab this. Actually, I should move that over. Can I move that over a little bit? Is that still editable? Yeah, there we go. Move that over a little bit. Move this down. Now select the purpley. And make sure that's black. Edit. Fill. And make this big R. Grab that, pick this, and move this down. Select, grow. I'm just going to do one. Edit, fill. Okay, so now it really stands out. Save, file, export, copyright PNG, replace. Export and close this. Go back to Game Maker. So spur copyright and import. Oh, I gotta no. UltraShot. Where are the images? Oh, there they are. Copyright. Yes. Looks a little bit ragged, but that's okay. Play. I think I dynamically changed to alpha. Or I can just set alpha half from the beginning. I think that's a little bit too easy there. Spur copyright. Pre-multiply alpha. Object copyright. Create. I wonder if I can just set alpha here. Alpha. No. I wonder if it's image alpha. Get 0.5. I want to go ahead and do the title thing. Add event, create. Or if there's some, yeah, could rotate. F rotate get 0. F rot change gets four. Step. I don't even need this right here. Image rotate. What was that? I just used it for the stupid cannon. Ball. Oh, crud. Image angle. Angle. Add and assign. F rot change. If image angle is greater than 45, image greater than or equal to 45. Image angle gets 45 and F rot change gets -4. Well, speed. Or no, I don't want to use speed. F speed gets 4. Fraught change gets F speed. F fraught change gets a -F speed. Else if image angle is less than or equal to -45. Image angle gets -45. F rot change gets F speed. UltraShot! Look at that! Sprite title. Middle center. I need to center it up again. Okay. Grab you. At least I can like put this directly almost on top. Why can't I put this on top? Rotation. X 1280, 640, 720, 350, 360. Oops. Boy, I can't even type right now. Okay. That's pretty cool. Wow. Kind of goes outside. That needs to go a little bit slower. That's way too fast. Let's do 2. Let's do 30. Max rod gets 30. F max rod. F max rod. Negative X max rod. Negative X F max rod. That's pretty cool. UltraShot. It'd be cool if the background spun. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll finish the rest tomorrow. But yeah, I think I made pretty good progress. Got somewhat of a game. I'd like to have like things that move around, like panels, things that pop in and out, and rotating cannons. That would be so cool. Rotating cannons. Might have to do like a subclass or something. That significantly add to the difficulty of the game. But I think it's fun. And it's definitely goes with the theme one shot. I think that's the theme. I feel bad if that wasn't the theme. Yeah, one shot. I like how it pivots on the A. I think I want to move that first. Looks a little bit too easy. At least the person has to move down a little bit to shoot. So now if you do that. Winner! Yeah, I'm just waiting to have like, you are the UltraShot master, thanks for playing. But I'll save that for tomorrow. I'm tired. Okay, thanks everyone for watching.